Hey everyone, hope you all are good. So today's video is on alphabet H. So before starting, ensure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. Let's take a rectangular piece of paper of dimensions 19 into 14 cm. Now focus on the parameters shown and draw the lines according to these parameters. We draw alphabet H here. So curve the sharp edges to give them a shape. Now start drawing the designs. As I have used mixture of mandala designs which I am converting to paper cutting. You can draw something different, or if you wanted to draw the same designs, then image link is in the description. You can download it from there. Now I am using knife cutter to cut all the designs I have drawn. When you use knife cutter, you will feel it very hard to cut the small details, so do it carefully or you can skip the minor details. And there is no need to rush. You should cut the design slowly for better results. And please don't hurt yourself while using knife cutter. Use it carefully.